Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. This video will guide you through the installation steps installing an Arnott remanufactured front air strut for the Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG, W211 and S211, and CLS-Class AMG, C219. Stay tuned. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Remove the applicable front wheel. Locate and remove the upper control arm ball joint nut. Now separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly and remove the sensor lines from the brackets. Remove the inner fender well screws and locate and disconnect the electrical plug. Continue by loosening the lower shock mounting bolt and disconnecting the air line from the top of the strut. Now unplug the electrical connector and remove the 3 top mounting bolts. The final removal step is to remove the lower shock mounting bolt and remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. Install the remanufactured front air strut in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Mercedes-Benz E-Class or CLS Class AMG with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.